Char Nation, and we are going to be doing Brick Fall Waterfall with my mom. Mommy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Char Nation.
First, we're going to show you how to do it, and then we're going to do it. And this is a dance along. You can do it at home. Brick Fall Waterfall. Bob thinks he had it all, but no. I do. Now hit it with that attitude. Peace, punch, Captain Crunch. I got something you can't touch. Miss, Nacho Miss. I got something you can miss. That's it, and now we're going to do it. This is a dance along. You can do it at home.
Oh, God.
Okay, go on.
Remember it.
How do you not remember? We just did it.
Ready?
Okay, Brick Fall Waterfall. Bob thought he had it all, but no, I do. Now, wait. No, I do. Now hit it with that attitude. Peace, punch, Captain Crunch. I got something you can't touch. Miss, Nacho Miss. I got something you can miss. Yay!
Oh my gosh.